Hi, everybody. This is our first screencast of the year, which is very exciting. So, we are going to go over this piece of Gemara that we started just the other day. This is on Dalid Amud Aleph, right at the bottom. Right, so you should see a Dalid Amud Aleph in the corner of your Gemara. It's right here at the bottom, and it goes through the middle of Dalid Amud Bet. I'm going to read and translate this piece of Gemara for you. While I'm doing that, you should be doing one of two things. Either writing the translations down in your Gemara, right over here on the sides, that's fine, or taking out the packet that I handed out last week, and you can take notes on the back of that packet. That works as well. But here we go. The Chachamim omrim ad Chatzot. Okay, again, if you remember from our Mishnah, we have three opinions in the Mishnah of when is the latest time to say Shema at night. The Chachamim's opinion is you have until Chatzot. So now let's read this together inside. Chachamim kiman svira lehu. The Chachamim, who do they hold like? Right? Who do the Chachamim agree with? I Rebbe Eliezer. If they agree with Rebbe Eliezer that the latest time to say Shema is when? Is the time that people go to sleep, Svira Lahu, Lemruk Rebbe Eliezer, then the Mishnah should have just said that the Chachamim agree with Rebbe Eliezer. Now we're going to turn the page. Give it 1 second to load. The Ike Rabban Gamliel Svira Lahu, if the Chachamim agree with Rabban Gamliel, in other words, that the latest time to say Shema is when people sleep, not when you go to sleep, but when people sleep in general, Lemru ke Rabban Gamliel. Then the Mishnah should have just said they agree with Rabban Gamliel. In the end of the day, if you're the Chachamim, okay, there are really only two options for when you can say Shema at night. Either it's the time when people go to sleep, and that's Rabbi Eliezer's opinion, which is the first third of the night. Or you say that the latest time to say Shema is the whole time while people are sleeping. That would be the opinion of Rabban Gamliel. Either way you look at it, what's this Chatzot time? That doesn't make any sense. So the Gemara continues. Le'olam ki Rabban Gamliel. Really, the Chachamim agree with Rabban Gamliel that the latest time to say Shema is Alot HaShachar, is that first spark of daytime. You can say Shema the whole time that people are normally sleeping. That's what they svirlu, that's what they hold. V'hadeka amre ad chatzot, and that which the Chachamim say that you have until Chatzot. Why did the Chachamim say Chatzot, midnight? Kidei leharchik et hadam min havera, in order to distance a person from sin. Right? It's to prevent a person from sinning. And now this is new stuff. Kidatanya, as we learn in a Braita, Chachamim asu siag l'divrehem. The Chachamim made a fence for their words. Kidei shelo yeh adam ba min hasadeh. Right? They made a fence for their words in order that a person would not come home from the field. Right? A person's going to come home from the field after a busy day working, ba'erev, in the evening. So he's going to come home from a busy day in the field, ve'omer, and he'll say to himself, Elech leveiti, I'm going to go to my house, ve'ochel kima, ve'eshteh kima, I'm going to eat a little, I'm going to drink a little, ve'ishan kima, I'm going to sleep a little. Right? So a guy's going to come home from work, he's going to say, okay, I'm going to eat a little bit, I'm going to drink a little bit, I'll take a little nap, and then ve'achar kach ekre kriyat shema ve'etpalel. And after my nap, then I'll get up and I'll say kriyat shema and I'll daven. No, a person shouldn't do this. You know why? Ve'chotavto shina. He's going to be overtaken by sleep. V'nimtza yashen kol halayla. Right? This is human nature. You're going to end up sleeping the whole night. Shouldn't do that. Aval adam ba min hasadeh be'erev. Rather, what should you do? A person should come from the fields in the evening, nichnas leveit hakneset, and he should go to shul. Im ragil likrot koreh. If he's familiar with reading psukim, he should read psukim. Im ragil lishnot shonah. And if he's familiar with learning Mishnah, he should learn Mishnah. Then v'koreh kriyat shma umid palel. Then he should say Shema, and then he should daven, ve'ochel pito mivarech. Then he can eat dinner, and only after that can he make a birkat hamazon. So that over here is the Gemara. Now what I'd like you to do is make sure you have that down in your notes. Now I know some of this may be confusing, it may be complicated. The beautiful thing about this being on video is that you can rewind the tape and you can recopy what I said. So even if you missed a phrase or a sentence, rewind and try again. YouTube makes that easy, to rewind and try again. Okay, but essentially, to summarize, we have the opinion of the Chachamim that say you have until Chatzot. That's really weird, because that Chatzot is not the time that people go to sleep, and that's not the time when people are sleeping, right? The two opinions that make sense are Rebbe Eliezer's opinion, which is when people go to sleep, and the opinion of Rabban Gamliel, which is the time that people are sleeping. So what's the deal with the Chachamim's opinion? Who do they actually hold like? They have to hold like one of them. So we explained, you know what? They really fundamentally agree with Rabban Gamliel. The Chachamim believed that when the Torah says, say Shema when you go to sleep, it means the whole time that you're sleeping. So if you have till the whole time you're sleeping, well, people usually sleep until Alot HaShachar, until like 5, 6 in the morning. So why did the Chachamim say until Chatzot? It's in order to prevent you from sinning. And this entire Braita basically gives you the psychological insight of the Chachamim. The Chachamim were worried that this Braita right here is what's going to happen to you. If the Chachamim didn't say you have till Chatzot, you would do this. You would come home, grab a bite, go to sleep. Next thing you know, it's 8 a.m., you're hitting your alarm clock, and you missed all of Mariv. So to prevent that, the Chachamim said, say until Chatzot. All right, please get this down in your notes. Any questions, obviously, send to me. Holy Chevra. Have a wonderful day.